Your local config file content differs based on your watching network. For an example, I am configuring an Ergo watcher here, so my config file will looks like this. First of all, I'm specifying that I'm watching Ergo. Then in Ergo configs, I'm setting Explorer as my information source. My watcher receives informations of blocks, transactions, boxes, everything from Explorer. You can choose either Explorer or Node here. Then I'm specifying that my watcher starts scanning blocks and transactions from the height here. When you're starting your watcher, you should check out the latest block in the network and specify the height of that block here. Then I am specifying my wallet mnemonic, the empty wallet I have created before. And finally, I am setting node and explorer addresses here. You may want to use any public nodes or explorer, or you may want to deploy your own node and use it as your information.